Hello friends around the world and welcome again to my channel. Here is Assia and today class is about grammar and verbs. Of course, for new people, welcome. My channel is about Darija, travel and culture because it's a part of the learning process. For all people that already subscribed to my channel, know me from the beginning of my channel. This is almost like 3 years together. Thank you so much for the support. Appreciate it a lot. And guys, this channel is continuing because of you. It's continuing growing because of you. I'm still sharing information for free, still like giving because of our our collaboration, our support together. Thank you so much. I appreciate it all. And want to listen from all of you. Any like suggestion you want to share it, I will welcome it gladly. Okay, so today I want to like explain the verb to give. Okay, so the verb to give, I want to conjugate it in the present, how I'm gonna say. So to conjugate it in the present, of course, I add K in all verbs, grammatically and Darija, and in the past, I keep the verb almost like as it is. In the future, we add okay, ready, I'm going, like I already do this in other videos, the grammar videos. I will all put them together so you can see them together. If not, you didn't see this, so I'm explaining this today for you. So for present, I add K. For the past, I almost like stay with the same structure of the verb. And for the future, I add r, this GH sound. R, r, r. I think it's like a bird. It's like a bird or something. So it's okay. So the verb to give is أعطي. أعطي, to give. أعطي. Okay, the present أنا كنعطي. أنت كتعطي. أنتي كتعطي. Okay, so هو عطى. هي. Oh, sorry. Oops. هو كيعطي in the present. هو كيعطي. هي كتعطي. Okay. حنا كنعطيو. نتوما كتعطيو. هما كيعطيو. Perfect. So this is in the present. I will give you example. So أنا كنعطي كادو لجارتي. أنا كنعطي كادو لجارتي. I'm giving a gift to my neighbor. Okay. جارتي also I refer to it, or I use the word as feminine. Okay. جارتي, جاري is for male. Okay. So just like keep in mind. Always like Darija as standard Arabic, it's have gender. Okay. Gender like it must be required in the like speaking. Okay. So next in the past. Okay. So أنا عطيت. Okay. So أنا عطيت in the past. أنت عطيتي. أنت عطيتي. أنتي عطيتي. حنا عطينا. نتوما عطيتو. هما عطاو. Okay. Example. هما عطاو 100 درهم الحانوت. This is just random like sentence. هما عطاو 100 درهم الحانوت. Okay, they give 100 dirham, Moroccan money, to the store. Okay, yes. And now let's see in the future. In the future, أنا غنعطي. أنت غتعطي. أنتي غتعطي. Okay. حنا غنعطيو. أنتوما غتعطيو. And هما غيعطيو. Yes, this is like in the future. غيعطيو in the future. Okay, so let's use أنت غتعطي or غتعطي كادو. غتعطي كادو لمراتك. Okay, غتعطي كادو لمراتك في عيد ميلادها. غتعطي كادو لمراتك في عيد ميلادها. You will give a gift to your wife in her birthday. غتعطي كادو لمراتك في عيد ميلادها. Or it's called be a question. غتعطي كادو لمراتك في عيد ميلادها. So it's gonna be a question. So someone asking you. Okay. So you will answer by yes or you specific which to give. So غنعطيها كدا or غنعطيها كدا. So كدا this is like when you like blah blah, you know. كدا is like blah blah in English. So you have this كدا in Darija. When you want to specific something, you said just كدا كدا. Okay. Okay, you got a new word over here. So new vocabulary. That's good. Okay, I think this is all for to give verb for today. Write me any verbs that you want to know about so we continue with this story about verbs. I want to separate it like vocabulary, grammar alone, songs alone, so we continue like having videos that like really specific for each like person goals. So that's this way we know where guys you're like interest and you want to learn the most like important for you, so I continue to give you and share with you information. Thank you so much again and salama. See you next time.